MEGAfy is the first CRM that's iPhone simple enough for the most technically challenged to effectively use, yet robust enough to satisfy the most demanding power user. The MEGAfy workspace delivers power through simplicity. The sidebar displays links to lists of different types of internal MEGAfy records and any external web data. Clicking an item opens its content in the current tab. Clicking a sidebar item while holding down the Control key opens its content in a new tab. Or create a new tab by clicking on the New Tab button. All MEGAfy lists and records work identically. Each list displays the most key data for that record type. Clip data is shown in Data Tips. Selected records are viewed by clicking the View button, double-clicking on the record, or choosing Open Record from its context menu. The default behavior opens the record in the current tab. Using the Control key modifier opens that record in a new tab. MEGAfy seamlessly integrates a web browser to display web data in context of MEGAfy records, the sidebar, or bookmarks. The MegaSearch facility enables quick retrieval of specific records. Let's say the phone rings with WordCleaver on the caller ID. Simply type WA in the MegaSearch and click on Word's contact record to display it before you pick up the phone. MEGAfy records optimize the presentation of information in our default display mode. Quick edits of existing data are done by clicking into a specific field. New data is entered in edit mode that's toggled by pressing the edit button, or for power users by double-clicking on the record. MEGAfy enables capture of as many addresses, phones, emails, etc. as needed. The address, phone, and email displayed in the record header is determined by dragging the desired item to the top of its list. Adding a co-contact creates a separate co-link contact record. Connections can be added to define formal and informal relationships. Each contact can have an unlimited number of significant dates. Client lifestyles, personality traits, special interests, and behavior profiles can be recorded to enhance relationship building and marketing. All related documents, notes, activities, and client-owned properties are indexed in context of their contact records. Leads, listings, closings, and property records are linked to the respective contact record. Inquiries are contact records that don't display in contact lists until promoted to a contact, lead, listing, or closing. This ensures the client's greatest asset, their book of business, isn't overwhelmed with unqualified noise. Leads, listings, and closings are created using their add buttons, or context menu promotion, or by dragging and dropping a contact or inquiry record onto the sidebar item. For example, promoting an inquiry to a lead brings up the Add Lead dialog, auto-populated with the inquiry data. The user is led to enter key lead information, assign the lead if applicable, and launch a marketing plan to help monetize that lead. MEGAfy auto-sorts leads by their auto-calculate expected value and specify closest to closing to focus the sales team on their highest ROI opportunities. MEGAfy also seamlessly integrates an enterprise-grade email client and organizational calendar. Maintaining separate CRM, calendaring, and email clients typically results in multiple versions of the truth, with poor CRM adoption rates and resulting ROI. MEGAfy enables merging of any set of team members' calendars. Mousing over an activity displays full activity detail, even when viewing in week or month views. Clicking on an activity with a linked record displays that record's roller card. Clicking on the roller card's name button launches its full record. Note linked activities are auto-tagged for display in that record's activity tab. Activities can be added in a multiple of ways, including headline editing, double-clicking on a time slot, and dragging and dropping an activity SmartCut onto the calendar or record. Timed activities display in the calendar, and timeless activities display in the timeless activities list. Class color codes activities to visually record how time was spent. MEGAfy uniquely enables specifying an alert to notify the person who most cares when an activity isn't completed. Activity plans define sets of activities required to successfully complete a project. Activity plans are launched on records where each activity's due date is auto-generated relative to its offset period upon the plan launch date. The details of each activity are specified in the Add Activity to Activity Plan dialog. MEGAfy's robust implementation of activity plans and alerts delivers the additional value of simple project management. These are some examples of how MEGAfy subtly drives best practices, process, efficiency, and accountability while delivering a remarkable user experience for all. I look forward to sharing more of our MEGAfy opportunity with you. Thank you.